Buying your first investment property is one of the most effective ways to build long-term wealth and generate monthly passive income. Unlike buying a primary residence, you must focus entirely on the numbers and the potential return on investment rather than your personal taste. Location is the most critical factor because you want to invest in areas with strong job growth and a high demand for quality rental housing. You should aim for a property where the monthly rent collected is significantly higher than the total mortgage, insurance, and tax payments combined. It is vital to set aside a dedicated reserve fund for unexpected repairs and the inevitable periods when the unit might sit vacant between tenants. Lenders typically require a larger down payment of 20 to 25% for investment properties compared to a standard home loan. You should also decide early on whether you will manage the property yourself or hire a professional company to handle the daily tenant interactions. Visit homebuyingrealty.com to download our investment property analyzer and see if that rental deal actually makes financial sense today.